This conference will now be recorded.
Hope you people are able to see my screen.
Yes, ma'am.
So filters, yesterday I taught you people. Did you people try? Any doubts in that? Or still anybody is have to try, miss? I'll give you some time to try. Or anything you did not understand how to do about it. You want me to explain it once again? I'll explain you.
No, ma'am, understood.
What about others?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's go to advanced filters. So now this thing I'm going to copy it to a new sheet. I'm going to show you how to apply the criteria, everything, and then we will do it. Okay. So first I will copy this selection. I'll go to file, blank workbook, and I'm going to paste it. Okay. So I have pasted my data over here. Now in this I have to select these things. So I'm going to paste. So here category. So here I have to take fruits and vegetables. So I'll take fruit vegetable. Then I wanted to put the list. So I have given set of values like greater than or equal to 3000, greater than or equal to 8000, less than or equal to 10,000, greater than or equal to 5,000. Okay. And then I wanted to put up with the country. So for that, I'll first select it. I'm showing you how to remove the duplicates. Control C, paste it here. Then I'll go to data tab. I'll go to data tools, and under that I have remove duplicates. So when I click on this remove duplicates, click on OK. So the duplicate values will be removed. Got it? You want me to show it once again?
Yes, ma'am.
So to apply the duplicates, that one I'll show, because other things I just copied and pasted from there. So fruit and vegetables I just selected, I copied and I pasted here. Then the values which was here, the same values I have given, or if you wanted to give in your values, you can give. To paste the countries, so it is repeated once are there. So I have to remove the duplicates. So I will first select the range, copy, and click here and paste. Now after it is done, I'll go to data tab. Under data tab I have data tools, and sorry, here in the remove duplicates data tools I have remove duplicates. I'll click on it. So remove duplication option will come. Remove. Okay. So unique values are 9. Okay. Now I'm going to apply the data validation here. First I'll click here. I'll go to data validation. So I wanted to apply the list. I'll select it, click on browse, and select this options, that is category fruits and vegetables. I'll click on browse back, click on OK. Now you can see it is done. Now for the values, I'll put the data validation. I'll select the cell, go to data tab. Under that I have data validation. Under data tools, data validation, list, browse, and select this range of values what I have given. I'll click on OK. So now the values are appearing. Now for country. So for each things I'm going to apply the data validation. I'll go to data validation, list, browse, select the range, browse back, click on OK, and here my categories as done. Condition criteria I have done. Now I have to apply the this one filters, advanced filters I have to apply. I'll select the range, then I will go to data tab. Under data tab, I have advanced filters. Okay. So previously what we did, it was basic filters. So this is advanced filters. So first select the range, go to data tab, go to advanced, and here I wanted the range. So here you can see whatever the range I have chosen, that is from A2 to E19 it is showing. So where is the criteria? So my criteria is this. I'll select this, so you can see H2 to J3. Now I wanted to copy the values to a different location where I wanted to copy. I wanted to copy it here and I wanted unique records only. I'll click on OK. So whatever I have given, so based on my criteria, see I have given fruits. So fruits and the value greater than 8,000, and then country. So like this it will appear. Now if I wanted to change the criteria, I'll come here, I'll choose vegetable, and here I will tell less than or equal to 10,000, and here I will tell if it is Germany. Okay, so now I'll give this criteria. Now I'll just remove this. So I'll go to home and I'll click on clear all. Okay, so now again I'll select my range. I'll go to data tab, advanced filters. So here it is showing the range, and here now this time again I have to change the criteria range. Why? Because now my category, amount, everything is changed. So I'll select this and copy to another location. So wherever I wanted it to be copied, I will choose the location, unique records only. I'll click on OK. So beetroot. So it is vegetable less than or equal to 10,000, and the country I wanted is Germany. So the entire information it will filter and it will show. Understood? Or you want me to explain it once again? Guys? If you have understood, you can try. If you did not understand, please tell us so that I can explain you once again.
Ma'am, can you please repeat it?
The filter portion, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So first I need to select the range. Once I have put all my this one and all, so here I am going to choose the category, that is fruit, and here I wanted to choose greater than or equal to 5,000, and here I wanted the country is UK. Okay, so I am giving this, then I will choose the range. I'll select the range, I'll go to data tab, I'll go to advanced filters, and here you can see it will show the range, that is from A2 to E19. But criteria I need to change. Why? Because if it is already selected means it might be the previous category what I have chosen. So now this is the criteria what I wanted and where I wanted to put it. So I wanted to put it in the other location. I will choose the location where I wanted unique records only. I'll click on OK. So according to my criteria, I wanted fruit greater than or equal to 5,000 and the country should be UK. So it will filter and it will show. So I'll give you 10 minutes of time so that you people can try. Girls, getting it? Are you able to do it? You want me to explain somewhere? The data validation part, or how to apply the advanced filters?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma.
ma'am, explain how to apply advanced filter, ma'am, once more.
So first I'll select I'll remove this. So first select the range. Okay. So before that, change the conditions. So I wanted vegetables. I wanted the value greater than 8,000, and I will select so France. So vegetables, yeah. So now I have changed my criterias. Now I'll come here and select the range. Okay, select the range, go to data tab, advanced, and here it will show the range what I have selected. Now remove this criteria which is already it is showing. Why? Because it is a previous criteria what I have applied. Now the one I have changed, I have to select this criteria, copy the link. So I will choose the place where I wanted it to be applied with unique records. Okay. So my condition was criteria was category vegetables, amount greater than or equal to 18,000 from France. Got it?
Okay, ma'am, thanks, ma'am.
Yeah. Try it out. Done, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
So next we have advanced filters. Okay. So here there are set of information given. I'll just cut paste it here. So the first name is given, the last name is given, and the hobby of that people, the city that they belong to, and their weight. Okay. Now based on this, I wanted to apply the filters. So I'll click on somewhere on my table, Control A. It will select my entire range. Control Shift L to apply the filters. So here I'll be using advanced sort and advanced filters. Okay. So now first question is filter for people whose hobbies are chess, football, karate, reading, tennis. So in this order, I wanted the hobbies to be put in. So here you can see it is jumbled. Now I wanted the order of chess, football, karate, reading, tennis. So I will click somewhere on my hobbies, right click on it, and I will go for sort. Okay. Then I'll go for custom sort. Here I'll get a new dialog box where I will set my rule. What is the criteria that I'm looking for? I'm going to create it over here. So the thing they are asking for is on hobbies. So sort by. So here you can see all my headings will be listed out. In this I'm looking for hobby. And here sort on. So based on what I'm going to apply the sort. Is it on the cell values? Is it on the cell color? Is it on the font color? Conditional formatting. So it is on cell values. So how I wanted to sort the order, A to Z or Z to A. I wanted to create a custom list. Means now I have to create my own list. What is the criteria that I wanted? So I will type in chess, enter. Next I wanted football, enter. Next I wanted karate, enter. Then reading, enter. Then tennis. Okay, so now this is the order that I wanted. Now I have created. Now I'll click on add. So you can see whatever the list I created, it has been added in my custom list. Now I'll click on OK. Now you can see my custom list order is appearing. I'll click on OK. So now you can see first I wanted chess, then football, then karate, then reading, then tennis. The first one, understood with it? You want me to show it once again?
Yes.
So in order to apply the filters, I'll just remove the filters. So now somewhere I have to click on my hobby. So the first question is about filter the people whose hobbies are. So hobby is the column which they are asking for. So I'll click somewhere on hobby, right click on that and go to sort. And from here go to custom sort. Custom sort means now I am going to create the order. So here sort by. So as I click on this sort by columns, you can see the list of headings will appear. In this I am looking for hobbies. I'll select hobby. One second guys, excuse me. Guys, sorry about it. So I'll show you from beginning. So as I select, click somewhere on my hobby, take my cursor near that particular column, right click, go to sort, and in this sort you have to choose custom sort. Okay, so now here a new dialog box will appear where it will ask what is the criteria that you wanted to set. So sort by, when I click on this drop down, the list of headings will appear here, like first name, last name, hobby, city, weight. What is the criteria that I'm looking for? I'm looking for hobby. And now sort on, based on what? Cell values, cell color, font color, conditional formatting. So I am doing it based on my cell values. And here order, what order I wanted, A to Z, Z to A, or custom list. So now I am going to set the list. So this is advanced one. I'll click on custom list, and here I have already typed in, or else here again I am showing you. I'll type in chess, then I have to check the orders: chess, football, karate, reading, tennis. So now when I click the add, my list is already added here. If not, click on add, your list will get added. So now it is already selected, it is already here. I'll just select it and click on OK. So now my custom list, the order I wanted will appear here. I'll click on OK, and you can see in the hobbies, as per my requirement, the sorting is done. So chess, football, karate, reading, tennis. Got it, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, try with this. Girls done?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay. So now I'll show you the next sum. Find people who live in London and have the hobby of bird watching. Now I have to sort on two different criteria. First one is the city and the second one is hobby. So first I'll click on city, right click on my cell, go to sort, custom sort, and here first they are asking for people who live in London. So here I'll take city based on cell values only, and here I'll go for custom list. So custom list, what is the place they are asking? So it is London. So I will type in London and I will click on add. I'll click on OK. So my first condition is criteria is selected, that is on city. Now they are telling for hobby. So here I will click on add level. So like this, you can add any number of levels you wanted, you can add. So next one is on hobby. I'll come here, I'll select hobby. It is also on cell values, and here it is bird watching that I wanted to filter. I'll go to custom list, and here I will type in, see, as and when I am creating the custom list, it will keep on getting added here. Okay, now I am looking for bird watching. Bird watching, I'll click on add and I'll click on OK. So I have set my criteria. First one is for London and second one is for bird watching. I'll click on OK. So place London and the person who is having the hobby of bird watching will be listed out. Got it? So now the same way I wanted you people to try with third and fourth. I wanted you people to try with this third and fourth the same way. If you did not understand, please tell. I'll explain you once again.
Done, ma'am.
You'll try it with the third and fourth one also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I will give you 10 minutes of time.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, next we will see with filters using the wildcards. So I think in the during the math functions I had explained you about this wildcard patterns. If you remember, using the wildcard. So asterisk and question mark. You people remember or forgot? Remember girls or you forgot? Forgot so soon. Okay. So asterisk. So this is to show replace any number of characters. Replace any number of characters. Question mark. So this shows one single character. So for example, if I have a file called mcc.txt, okay. So if I forget the file name, I remember that my file starts with M. So I have to search means I'll give m star dot txt. So my computer is going to search all the text files which are starting with the file name m followed by any number of characters. So the same way if I wanted to search using the question mark means I'll give m and I remember that there is two more characters in my file but I don't know which are those. So I'll be using question mark for one single character. So two question mark for two characters dot txt. So my computer is going to search all the text files which is starting with m and has two more characters in it. So like this it is going to make a search. So now in the same way only I wanted to now filter the people. So filter for people with the first name that contains b followed by single letter followed by n. Okay, so now they are telling to filter by first name. So I'll go to first name and I'll click on filters. I'll go to text filters and here I'll go with contains. Okay, so here they are telling the first name is starting with b followed by single character, single letter. Okay, so I'll put question mark and it is ending with n. So b, starting with the first name beginning with b followed by single character and finishing with n. I'll click on OK. So I was looking for the name Ben. It will filter like this. So now I'll remove the filters. We'll go for the next question. Understood with this? The fifth one. Guys, why today not at all in the mood? I can understand it was a long day, feeling hectic, tired. Everything will be there. But another 10-15 minutes we'll wind up with the class. So if you don't answer, how would I know whether you people have understood or not understood? So if you have not understood, I can explain it once again. If you have understood, I can go with the next one. If you don't understand, I have to merely simply wait for your answer. Understood with this fifth one? You want me to show it once again?
Understood, ma'am.
Okay. Only Sandhya is responding. So next question, filter for people whose last name starts with J followed by 0 or more characters followed by S. So it is the last name which I wanted to search. I'll click on this filters, go to text filter contains, and here I'll tell the last name is starting with J followed by any number of characters. So we don't know how many number of characters are there. So I'll give star and the last letter is S. I'll click on OK. So I was looking for the name Jonas. So try to do with this. It is easy only.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So let's do with one chart. Okay. The others will do it tomorrow. Only one chart we will do it now. Okay. Now let's understand the different types of charts. So first one is line chart. Okay. So first I will select the range. So line chart usually when we'll be using it when I have to see the comparison. Okay. So I'll delete this. I'll select the range. I'll go to insert and here I have the charts option. Okay. So from here also if you want you can choose the line chart, or if you wanted to have a look at more, I'll click on this dialog launcher and I'll click on all charts, and here we have line chart. Okay, in this whichever type of line chart I want I can take, so I'll choose this one and I'll click on OK. So my chart will be applied. So now as I have got my new chart, there is a new tab which will appear, that is chart tools. Means anything related to the chart you wanted to make any changes related to it, from here you can do it. So I have chart design and format. So first thing, if I look at this contents, so moreover for all the charts it will remain the same. Based on the scenario or the criteria, you can choose the different types of charts. So add chart element. So today I will teach you, tomorrow once again I will explain it. Okay, so add chart. So if I wanted to have the primary horizontal, primary vertical, if I wanted to have the axis titles at the bottom, and if I wanted it at the vertical, so if I wanted to have the chart title, so if I wanted it above or center overlaid, so if I don't want, I can remove it from here. Chart labels. So labels I wanted in the center, on the left, on the right, above, below, data callouts, like this I can set. Chart table with legends key, without legend keys. And if I wanted to have the error bars, standard error, percentage wise, if I wanted in standard deviation. So again, it is based on the scenario what you are taking, what type of error bars you wanted to apply, you can apply it from here. If I wanted to go with the grid lines, so I don't want the grid lines, primary, major, vertical, minor horizontal, minor vertical. So like this you can apply with the different types of grid lines. If I wanted to have the legends, so I wanted the legends, that is bear, dolphin, whales, the names. So I wanted it in the right, I wanted it in the top, I wanted the legends in the left or at the bottom, or I don't want the legend keys only. If I wanted to show with the drop lines, so if I wanted drop lines, high low lines I wanted to show, or if I wanted to go with the trend line, so linear, exponential, linear forecast, moving average, however you want, you can apply it. Once again, it is based on the scenario what you are taking. So up and down rows if I want it, if I don't want it, I can remove it from here. So if you look at the layout, so there are, these are the different types of layouts available. So whichever type of layout I want, I can choose the layouts from here. Okay, and if I wanted to change with the colors, so here you can see we can change with the colors. And here if I wanted to change with the chart style, if I wanted to put it in black or with this, so whatever the type you want, you can choose the chart style. If you wanted to switch between the rows and columns, so if I just click on it, so it will switch between the rows and columns. So however I want, I can switch between the rows and columns. So data select, so how I want it, so I'll click on OK. Next, if I wanted to change with the datas, so bears and the years if I wanted to change, so I'll switch and click on OK. So you can see, so here I'll come and switch. If I wanted to edit something, I can again do it from here. So then if I wanted to change the chart type, I did not like this line chart, I wanted to go with some other chart type, I'll click from here. Again it will open up with the different type chart types. You can choose whichever chart type you wanted. And if I wanted to move this chart to a new sheet, so from here I'll click on the chart. So I wanted only the object or I wanted it in a new sheet, I'll click on this and I'll click on OK. So the chart will be moved to a new sheet. Okay, so understood with this, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so if you want, you can try out with this line chart.
Done, ma'am.
So what about others, girls? So the same way, try with the column chart, bar chart. I have set this once. So try with this too. So here the chart design remains the same thing. Apply with the necessary changes and try column chart and bar chart.
Done, ma'am.
What about others? Guys, understood with this? So column chart and bar chart, you people were able to do it. So pie chart, I will show it tomorrow. Pie chart, combo chart, and spark lines and lookups is left out in Excel. So we will finish Excel things, Excel parts tomorrow, and we will start up with TVM, time value money. That is on Friday. Probably we'll see if we are able to finish it early. We'll start with TVM, or else day after tomorrow we'll start with TVM followed by some income statements, and then we will be solving our 5 case studies. So by tomorrow you should be well thorough with how to apply with the calculations, everything with Excel, how to work on Excel. That is very much important. So you must have been understood about the Excel interface. So today what and all I taught, is there any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so try to do the things whatever I have taught once again. If you are having any doubts or anything, you can clarify it tomorrow. Okay, so shall I wind up the session for today? Is there any doubts you wanted to get it clarified?